Welcome viewers to another video on SUG 12 mathematics exams. So today we are looking at question 2A from the August 2018 mathematics paper 2, and the question reads: simplify 7s t to the power 3 over 15 u to the power 3 v square multiplied by 5 u to the power 3 v divided by 28 s to the power 3 t square. So if you look at this question, what you notice here in this case is basically a combination of basically indices and algebraic expression. So what is key for us to answer this question and get the full marks is understanding the key principle of indices. The one that we're going to utilize the most is the one deals with when you are multiplying and dividing, in this case dividing. So the way indices operates, if you have two indices, a the base to the power m, then divide by basically a the same base to the power n. This is basically the same as a m minus n. So it's the same principle that we're going to use for us to answer this question so easily. So remember that. So having that in mind, let us proceed to answer this question. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to look at first basically the variables. So the variables that we have in this case, we have, let us start with s. So here we have s, so s is to the power 1. So s into s is s. Then s to the power 3 divided by s is basically, we are subtracting the power 3 minus 1, so we remain with s square. Then we come to this, we have u to the power 3 and u to the power 3, so it's 3 minus 3, which is 0. So you see basically anything raised to the power 0 is a 1. So u and the u cubed, they cancel each other. Then we come to t. So t to the power 3, then we have a t square here. So t square into t square is t, then t square into t to the power 3 is basically t, which is t to the power 1. Then let's move to v. So we have v square and the v to the power 1 here. So v into v is a 1, then v into v square is basically v to the power 1. Then we are done with variables. So in terms of variables, we have basically t over vs square. Basically that's what we have. Then we go to the numbers now. 5 into 5 is a 1, 5 into 15 is basically a 3, 7 into 7 is a 1, 7 into 28 is basically a 4. So what we have is basically 1 times t is that t, then 3 times 4 is basically 12. So we end up with basically t over 12v square. So basically this is how you get the full marks on this question. So please check on our YouTube channel where we have a lot of videos on a variety of topics just to make sure that you get that distinction.